what does it take to succeed? Every kid should know that there are enough people crying.
He will definitely help.
I don't think it's possible. Anywhere else
The next stop
could somebody
is
pay off their loan while studying.
Bye. Is it safe to walk at this time? It's red. Do we need to catch another bus or we reached?
Tomorrow morning, you have to catch a
It feels like I'm in a dream, in a Netflix dream.
Netflix dream.
So guys, on-ground reality of UK was very different from what we thought it would be. So sit back and relax and watch this full vlog and learn from it.
The worst I've done was, I told you when I was in, as a student, I was in Sweden. So I took 40,000 rupees loan from my dad because I was on full scholarship.
Okay.
So I knew I will save 40,000 rupees out of the scholarship amount to do a Euro trip before my course started in Sweden. So I said, it's a cash flow problem. I'll spend the 40,000 and go around for 10 days and then I'll save 40,000 and give it back to my dad.
Okay.
So that was the plan. So to save that 40,000, we practically didn't have any money to eat.
Okay.
So we had taken rice from India. So I would make rice, then fry that rice in jeera and mirch.
Okay.
And he's always like that. You guys done shopping? What's R&D? That's nice. We'll follow you. We'll cheer for you.
I think they are hiring right now.
Both of you are giving your resume there. I was telling you that at that time I used to fry the rice and eat it with ketchup every day. That was the cheapest you could eat, Tourist visa.
Thank you.
To Sweden? Yeah. So I ended up saving 40,000 in the end, and that I can return my money to my dad now. I was very happy. But then I got a call from my faculty. They said that the day you are coming, you're going to miss classes, so you have to come early.
Early, okay.
And the flights that we had booked were non-refundable. So I was like, shit. So it's like I talked to my faculty, guys, please give us some leeway. We are representing your university, in Sweden. We are doing well. We are topping the class here. You're doing, give us some. Said, no boss, nothing.
Okay.
If you don't come in time, you won't have enough attendance.
Okay.
And we'll fail you. And with that, we had to book another flight. And funny that the cost of that flight was 40,000 rupees. So we slogged ourselves, we starved ourselves for 4 months to save 40,000 rupees. And then we had to spend it on that new ticket.
Okay.
So my dad told me that's a life lesson. Don't spend more than what you have. Save first and then spend.
Yeah.
Like, okay. What other ones do you want to try? One lemon and one barbecue. This one, yeah. This is lemon. That cup is for 2 pounds here. 220 rupees. It's good. It's warm, no? And the cold weather is nice. It's another cab app called Bolt.
Sometimes it's become cheaper.
Professor was telling that you can try Bolt also.
Traffic is sometimes very getting used to it sometimes.
We had a meeting at 9 a.m. in University of Manchester. I checked yesterday. It showed 15 minutes to the university. But when we got in the cab, it showed like 1 hour. So
Try to smart, but not be all smart. It's just for her.
It's airtime, right? Thank you.
Aman.
I told you, she's good, but she's really smart. That's why I like her. She's good, but she's
He will definitely help. He has that mind.
That is. She's like, I may not or may not help, but he will help.
If I
I
can do,
don't have
if,
any
no,
contact, so I am not aware of anything.
if I can do, I would definitely.
If I can do, I will, but I am not able to do in this
Not
time.
sure I will.
She's learning, she's learning. It will take 6 months, you know. That time, I'm also like this. Even I don't know how to get into bus.
I have so.
No, I am enjoying the game in the Christmas Eve, 25th December. There's no bus service. There's no bus service. There's no staff in the airport also.
Yeah.
I'm waiting 2 hours for getting my clearance. It's a very difficult time for me that time, but that's why I really stand with these people. I know what they are facing. I can understand their mind.
From my home to here and from here to back to my home.
Hey guys, thank you so much for taking our time.
For the vlog, for everything.
It's most precious you spared for us. So thank you. Yeah, have a good night. Yeah. Cheers. Where do we have to go? This way.
So if you are planning to study in UK, subscribe to the channel and stay updated.
The next stop is
I don't think anywhere else
the next stop
would somebody
is
pay off their loan while studying. I don't think it's possible.
I think almost 20 lakhs.
Do you get tax on your income? Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, this stove, yeah, it's here. Yeah.
Game. Bye. Is it safe to walk at this time? It's red. Do we need to catch another bus or we reached?
Tomorrow morning. You have to catch another one. Tomorrow morning. Your first day abroad, CJ.
It's like it feels like I'm in a dream, in a Netflix dream.
Netflix doing.
You can't find a road like this in India. Yeah, even the auto rickshaws tire was like pure black. So it's
They get so much rain, so everything keeps getting hot.
all the room, all the like houses look similar.
CJ, I told that in the morning that this house is vacating. And they told me what you want, you can take.
These guys are wicked.
What do you got from there? That cycle?
Furnitures, glass, lot of things. The table that in our room is from this house.
It's the stairway to heaven.
Give us a tour of your facility.